guys, I want to do a quick video today on the Propel Flex 2.0 drone. I picked this guy up at Costco, 49 bucks. Thought it'd be kind of fun. You can connect your phone to it and wirelessly watch your drone and record video while you fly. If you get the app, uses a couple AA batteries or AAA batteries in the bottom, 2 on each side. Comes with the LiPo battery and the recharger, so that's everything that comes in the box. I wanted to do this video today because I wanted to see if for $50 if this is a good entry line drone and if you guys will enjoy its capabilities. After a month of ownership, I'd say yes. So let's take it out and let's show you what it can do. Okay, so for the startup, all you have to do is hit the power button, turn the drone on. You'll see the red light flashing. You'll turn the power button on the remote and you'll see the flash go from fast to slow. All you have to do to sync the controller is push up, down, and now it's synced. Now the light went to solid. To start it, you go down on the controller with both joysticks and slightly out.
Can I try?
And then there's even a launch button. If you want to launch it, you just hit the up and it'll take off right by itself. Then you can hit the land button and it'll land. But I'm not going to be able to record while flying it, so let me get my son out here to give me a hand. Now Propel recommends with this that you don't fly it in the house. I fly it in the house quite a bit. That's why I put these little blade protectors on it. Otherwise, if you didn't have the blade protectors on, you can easily fold it up for storage. But with the blade protectors on, you of course can't do that. Flight time, I get about 6 to 8 minutes of flight time outside, depending on how I'm using it. As far as on the controller, you've got this speed button. If you want to go faster, you click that, and when it's flying, it'll increase the speed by like twice. If you have it up high enough, there's also a stunt button. If you push that and then push a button to the side, it'll do a barrel roll. Pretty cool. As far as lights, you've got the white LEDs in the front with the camera. The camera is, you can aim the angle of the camera as well.
Here. Jan, here, Dad.
And the rear brake light. You ready? Here we go.
Don't crash it.
You get that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's so cool.
So let's hit the fast button. There you go. You can see it really take off. Let's bring it back. Oh. And then let's do a barrel roll. Right. Barrel roll.
That was good. Keep losing it. It's hard to follow it when it's zoomed in.
Hey, Julia, ready?
I'm gonna fly in a drone today. I've never flown one.
You gonna fly one? Okay, so Julia's gonna give it a try. Before we take off, let's get a little more space, okay? You remember how to do it? You push the up, no, not the power. Hit the up button right here. This. Push up. There you go. Here it goes. Oh, 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 oh.
Someone's got it. Dad, how do you?
So I've got the Propel app synced. I'm gonna go ahead and sync this to the phone, and we're gonna take a little bit of video so we can show you what it looks like. And really the biggest shortcoming of this drone is the camera quality. It is claimed to be 1080p, but the frame rate is only like, what, 6 to 8 frames a second it looks like, and the video quality is just really not very good at all. But it is a cool feature to kind of get you used to recording video while flying a drone. But with that, other than that, flying the drone is fun. My kids like it. It's a fun $50 investment. It's a cool little toy. Well guys, that's going to end today's video on the Flex 2.0 Propel miniature drone. If you guys are considering getting a drone and you want to kind of learn how to fly one, I think a $50 investment is a good place to start before you go out and you buy like a DJI Mavic and spend, you know, the lowest price one is around $450 to $800, going all the way up to $2,000. So I think this is a good starting point. But anyway, if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'll put a link in the description down below of where you can order this. And like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye.